Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just received a very important package actually yesterday and I wanted to open it on camera. I wanted to do like a little unboxing. I ordered 500 pieces, you guys. 500. And it was not cheap. Well, for 500 pieces, it really cost me like 34 cents each. They didn't really have an option to do like 100 or 300. It was just 500 pieces or 1,000. Oh, also, I'm using this microphone because the audio from my last vlog I didn't really love. I'm gonna start using it again. So hopefully the audio is a lot better, but we're gonna unbox it. I'm so excited to open it so that our brand can, you know, look a little bit more professional, even more professional. So I did buy this from Etsy and I'll link the listing that I used below, and they are by, I think they're called Garden by July or Garden something, gardenpaper.com or something like that. But let me get my scissors. Super excited. Okay, here it is. Oh, they also got me. Oh, okay. They are Garden July. That's the Etsy shop. It's called Garden July. And they sent me the strings. I did not expect to receive this actually. So that's very exciting. And here they, oh, okay. They are very, very tiny. I'm not gonna lie. I thought that these were going to be a little bit bigger, but whoa, this is 500 pieces, you guys. And I bet this is 500 pieces as well. So, putting that there. It looks really good. It turned out really well. Wow. I ordered this really thick type of paper. And for the logo, it's like this gold foiled situation going on. So, oh my gosh. Oh, let's open this one. It's so cute. No way. Oh my goodness. They look so good. Now I can say that my small business is a little bit more professional and legit. Oh my goodness, you guys. The quality of this is amazing. I'm not even joking. I am so impressed, and it's so thick. You know, when you buy something and like the tag is really well made and really like thick, and you know that it's really good quality. I think that makes a brand a little bit more presentable and professional. As a small business owner, when you've put so much time and effort into making something, you also want to make the tags and the labels you use more professional and more presentable, because it really reflects on the overall brand and with the item that you're buying. I am so glad I invested in this. It looks so good. It like shimmers. It's like such great quality. I am very, very impressed. Definitely gonna leave a review for them because this is just amazing. So this is the strings, and because I also used to do the strings from, oh, that is so much easier. Because I used to, the strings I currently have right now, you guys, I'm gonna show you. This is the one that I have right now. Safety pin, and this is like just a string that I bought. I have this craft paper card. I stamped it with my logo, and then I put like the price in the back. This one compared to this one, of course, this looks a little bit more professional, so I'm so glad that I bought it. And this is now the final look of this beautiful bag. This is actually one of my popular bags. I make this bag in this green color. I have a blue and a black one. And it looks really good. I just have to update the label. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm not sponsored by them, but I tried them. I took my chance. The reviews were amazing. So then I bought 500 pieces. The process was pretty good. It was actually one of the easiest processes compared to other ones. The communication was really fast. They give you like a mock-up right away. I ordered it on October 17th and then it got here yesterday, so that was the first. Never mind, it's actually a lot faster. It's like 2 weeks. The design and then the confirmation and then the delivery time, the shipping time, and when it actually got here. So that's a total of 2 weeks. I will link them down below. They are Garden July. And I talked to Ashley. I think she's one of the, I'm not sure if she's the owner or like the communications manager. But I talked to Ashley and she was very helpful. But yeah, I am super glad. I will be leaving them a review and I don't know if there's anything I should do. Anything else I should do for this vlog. I think that's all I wanted to share.